How to troubleshoot Microsoft Teams login issues. Let's get started. First things first, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the culprit. Run a speed test to make sure you are online and stable. Also, you can give a fresh restart to your router. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Next, double check your login credentials. Mistyping your email or password is more common than you think. If you have forgotten password, click on Forget Password option and follow these steps to reset it. If you are using Teams on a browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve any login loops or errors caused by outdated data. If you are using Teams app, update it to its latest version. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Microsoft Teams. After app appears, if you see the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Sometimes the issue isn't on an end. Check if Teams is experiencing a service outage by visiting the Microsoft Service Status page. If there is an outage, all you can do is wait for Microsoft to fix it. If none of these solutions work, you can completely delete Microsoft Teams app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on it. Click on Remove App. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Microsoft Teams, and then download it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to troubleshoot your Microsoft Teams login issues in no time. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.